Go to freepik.com. I will leave the link in the description below. After opening the website, search for the kind of mockup you want to create. For instance, I want to create a paperback mockup. After searching for the paperback mockup, select PSD, and you are going to see lots of samples of paper bags, and then select and download. Go to your computer, right click the downloaded file and extract. Now open the extracted folder and open the file with Photoshop. And here is your default paperback mockup. So what you are going to do is for you to check the right hand side of your Photoshop panel. You are going to see placeholders of that paperback. Okay, and then open the placeholders and identify each of these segments of this paperback. Then double click on the placeholder. After double clicking on the placeholder, you are going to bring in your file here. Simply drag in your design and adjust it. Press enter on the keyboard. You can turn off this default design and then hit save. Then your mockup is ready. Okay, you can also make other adjustments to the side of the bag, to the inner side of this bag, and then for instance I want to change the color of this bag. I want to change the inner color of the bag. What I do is for me to come here and select here. All right, you can do the same thing to the side of this bag and then you can click OK. All right, so you can click OK. Let's return it. You can do the same thing to the side of this bag and to the background. Okay, so I recommend you use these two combinations when you want to do your perfect professional clean high quality mockups to present to your client. I have done a full video on how to do your mockups online without having to download any file to your computer, and I think it is the easiest, the best method ever I have ever seen. So I recommend you check this video. This video will show you how to do everything online and download high quality professional mockup designs to present to your client. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see this kind of content, and like this video, share this video, turn on the bell notification so that you see other of my videos anytime I drop. Thank you. See you in the next video.